This is the beginning of the Engineering a Better Airbag lab. I just gathered all of my supplies and I'm beginning to start, or fixing to start activity 1. Yay. Fixing to start activity 1. As I said in the last video, forgot to show myself all the PPE. A bunch of activity 1 is just a bunch of calculations, so I'm just going to go ahead and show one of those. 1.2 is our volume times our pressure, which is 1.0083, and then we divide by the temperature, which according to our thermometer here, if you can focus, it's freaking 8 degrees Celsius. I think it's wrong because up here, but I can't read it accurately, so I can't account for that. So we're just going to take what we got and we multiply by our constant, which is what again? It's like 0.0821. That is how many sorry, lost my train of thought. That is how many moles of carbon dioxide are required to fill this bag in my current pressure and temperature. So just did some other calculations is all. Just filled out activity 1's table, and we're fixing to start activity 2. Okay, here's our trial 1 bag using the vinegar and baking soda we calculated. Fixing to remove all of the excess air very carefully, as best as I can before mixing. Okay, pick up the bag and tilt it. Okay. How do we actually go? Gotta tilt it. Alright. Wow, that's really satisfying actually. Okay, we're gonna retry trial 1 because I thought it was too much, and I went back and checked my calculations and it was too much. So now we fixed it. The hopefully correct amount of each. I'm gonna drain the air like I did last time. Then we're going to observe the rate at which does. Here we go. Okay. So all that was left after we finished inflating our bags here was to do some calculations based on the airbag for the driver and then the passenger, which I did here, all the way down to the bottom, and then filled it in the table. Our equation was already balanced, so it's fine. Got information fixed up here. All of our backgrounds, materials, and stuff is typed in. And I determined that it was not a fast enough rate. It was very clearly it was not going to be a fast enough rate, because it was just, I mean, it's just ridiculously slow, and in the event of an accident, it's not going to be able to keep up with that. So now we just get to clean everything up, and then yeah, we'll be set. Technically, this is part of the lab. Cleaning up. I've already disposed of all of the bags and then the concentrations. So we just get to put everything away. I have to rinse you out, so. But. Get a bag for you too. But yeah, that was over.